Welcome back to Quiz Uno. Today we're building your K-Pop Demon Hunters house. Get ready for 50 impossible choices. And before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Quiz Uno for more exciting quizzes. Choose your bed. Choose your playground. Choose your challenge. Choose your closet. Choose your living room. Choose your desk. Choose your armchair. Choose your bathtub. Choose your kitchen. Choose your house. Choose your fridge. Choose your tree house. Choose your gaming room. Choose your PS5. Choose your piano. Choose your couch. Choose your movie room. Choose your fireplace. Choose your lamp. Choose your door. Choose your bounce house. Choose your plushie. Choose your bedroom. Choose your doghouse. Choose your bathroom. Choose your car. Choose your pool. Choose your motorcycle. Choose your playroom. Choose your cake. Choose your pillow. Choose your best friend. Choose your backpack. Choose your water park. Choose your beanbag. Choose your headphones. Choose your outfit. Choose your hot tub. your library.